Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. Got another Star Wars Unlimited Shadows of the Galaxy box. No longer counting numbers because we've got the showcase. I've done the giveaway. If you haven't entered it yet, check out box number 20, the video for that. And if you still got time, you can still enter that giveaway. The end date for that will be in the description, but definitely worth checking it out. I'm giving away all the legendaries from that box, so give it a look, see if you haven't yet. But I'd only opened 4 boxes from that case before I finally found that showcase, so 2 to go, and the other boxes in the case, apart from getting the showcase, were all pretty meh. So I debated leaving these ones sealed and not opening them, but I'm going to open them because I'm owed some balance for these boxes. So I'm hoping these two, or this case, sorry, I'm owed some balance for this case. So I'm hoping these boxes have some good hits in them and help balance that out a bit. So we get our first hyperspace foil, the Night Skirmisher, Night Owl Skirmisher. Pretty nice and hyperspace foil, that one. So what I'm looking for really for these boxes is another showcase would be lovely. Very unlikely to get 2 showcases in one case, but not impossible. What I really want is another hyperspace foil legendary. I got 3 really early on. All of them were the Mandalorian, so I have 3 Mandalorian hyperspace foil legendaries and no other hyperspace foil legendaries. So I would like to get another one that's not Mando, because I've already got 3. So that's my aim. Nice to get a decent haul of legendaries. I haven't had a 5 or 6 legendary box in a while. That'd be pretty good. Offset the cost of some of these boxes a bit by getting a bunch of legendaries to sell. Although prices are very reduced now in terms of singles, as the game's been out quite a while, so there's a lot less return on that. That was my mistake. This time around doing the kind of long running giveaway, I kind of felt like I had to open the boxes gradually as I went along instead of opening a whole bunch in one go and drip feeding the videos, which I'll probably do the next time for Twilight of the Republic, just to help sell the excess cards for a bit more money, offset the cost of buying some more boxes. So far, nothing firing from this box yet. Oh, there we go, we have our first legendary. Not a good one, but we'll take any L we can get. Dryden Voss. And here we go. Now this is a good start to the box. A foil Poe Dameron. One of the best legendaries in the game, and in foil. Knew it was due. Something good from this case. I remember the last time I actually seen a legendary in that foil slot. Certainly not from this case. Okay, we got Bosch, we got Maz Kanata's Castle. Our 9 commons, 3 uncommons. This time we have a Headhunting, we have Mercenary Gunship, and we have Impy's Nest. And we have another legendary, the Mandalorian. Actually, I haven't seen the Mandalorian in a while. Again, the 3 hyperspace foil Mandos I got were... I might have got one more that was just a regular Mando, but they pretty much made up my playset of Mandalorians, were hyperspace foils. And Chrysanthemum in foil for an uncommon foil. So here we go, 3 legendaries already, and only a third of the way into the box. I'm feeling a 6L box coming. Bosch again. I feel like I've got quite a few Boschs from this box. I haven't been paying too much attention to the leaders that come out. leaders and bases just kind of get thrown into a pile, particularly with this set without the rare bases. Omega and Cartel Turncoat. Interesting with the Twilight of the Republic set, they're bringing back a few rare bases, but a little bit of a twist from the first set of rare bases. These ones don't all have 25 health with their ability. One of the two has 26 and one of them has 24 health, so we're starting to see a little bit of extra variety there in what you can get with the bases. Chewie for our rare and Heroic Resolve. Heroic Renegade. I'm making up different cards today rather than just reading what's on them. Lando, Navarro City. Nine commons, Frozen and Carbonite to start us off with the uncommons. Privateer Crew, Rose Tico. Boba Fett's armor is our rare, and we have a foil rare, Pre Vizsla. If you've been keeping up to date with the announcements of the cards for the next set, drop me a message in the comments, let me know what you think of them, what you think of the new gameplay elements, any cards you're particularly interested in, and what you think of the set compared to this one and compared to Sparkle Rebellion. I personally have quite high hopes for it, that it's going to really kick the game off even further, just given partly the game mechanics. I think they sound very cool, sound like a lot of fun, and partly the kind of public or Star Wars fan interest in the era that we're doing for this next set. I think it'll be very popular. And if you've been enjoying the videos and you want to see more, please give them a like. As I say, drop something in the comments. Just have a chat if you like. Tell me what you're interested in. Always like having a chat with someone in the comments. And yeah, please subscribe to the channel if you like it. That will really help support the channel and keep me going, keep me motivated to keep publishing stuff as we get Hunters of the Haxion Brood in foil. It's been really nice. All the people who've been subscribing and commenting and having a chat, really appreciate everyone who's been doing that. It's helped the channel grow. I'm quite amazed at how quickly it's growing. We've got, I think, maybe around 80 subscribers now, which isn't a lot in the YouTube world, but I'm really pleased that actually 80 people have subscribed, and we're getting a reasonable amount of people watching, particularly the Star Wars videos. I almost assumed the Pokemon ones would have been more popular, but Star Wars is the big hitter in terms of videos, both in terms of views and how long people are hanging around to watch for. So I really appreciate that people are hanging around watching the videos. And yeah, big thanks to everyone who's doing that. Trandoshan Hunters, from a great couple of episodes of the Clone Wars TV series where Ahsoka gets stranded or gets kidnapped really, and then dumped on an island where the Trandoshans like to hunt young Jedi. Pre Vizsla as a rare, and Housecast Soldier in Hyperspace Foil. This is one of my favourite looking cards in Hyperspace Foil. It's only a common, but it just looks amazing with that explosion and smoke in the background. It's one of their best artworks of the entire game so far to get in Hyperspace Foil. Despite being a common, that's a display card right there. Probably a nicer Hyperspace Foil than any of the legendaries in this set. Look in Sparkle Rebellion might still be a bit nicer though. Mandalorian Armor, which is a rare Hyperspace card. Triple Dark Raid, and Grey Squadron Y-Wing. Okay, we need to get the legendaries back on with this box. It's been a bit of a legendary dry spell since the start, so if we're gonna hit 6L, we need to start getting some more legendaries soon. Here we get a common hyperspace with the HWK 290 freighter. Our 3 uncommons, Cobb Vanth, which is a rare, and Warbird Stowaway. Keep doing that. Putting it at the wrong angle and the seam just breaks and it makes it a bit more awkward to open. Okay, Cad Bane, Spicemines of Kessel. And another hyperspace in the common slot. I feel like we've got quite a few of those in a row. Deathmark, Bounty Hunter's Quarry, The Client, Valiant Assault Ship, or Valiant Assault Ship, probably is a better way to pronounce that, or a better, correct way to pronounce it. Tarful, and Cassian Andor. See what we've got here. 3 uncommons, second chance in legendary. In not one of the top legendaries, but we will take it. That's 4 for the box so far. 5's looking achievable. I'm still hoping for 6. Still want that hyperspace foil and a bonus 4th one in the rare legendary slot. That's my ambitious aim for the rest of this box, if I can control it. Alright, Cad Bane. Maz Kanata's Castle. Got Chrysanthemum, Jetpack, Bounty Posting, Val as our rare, and Privateer Schick. Common hyperspace foil. And that gives us 3 hyperspace foils for the box, so we're statistically due 1 more. And it's going to be a legendary, because that's what I've decided is happening today. Another Fennec, Deathwatch Hideout. Looks like this is the, oh no, I was about to say it looks like this is the hyperspace foil, but I think it's a hyperspace peeking out of the 3rd uncommon slot. So we have Salacious Crumb, the Armourer, the Client in hyperspace. The Darksaber is our 4th bonus legendary in the rare legendary slot, so that'll be 5 L's, 4 from this slot, and we just need that hyperspace foil legendary that I'm going to get, and we will have 6 legendaries. It's going to happen, you can feel it. Tuck you in there with Mando. Right, Dr. April, Remote Village, 9 commons that go into the big bulk common pile, 3 uncommons that go into the also quite big bulk uncommon pile, Mandalorian Armor, and a rare foil triple Dark Raid. Don't think I have that in foil yet, so I will take that to the keeper pile. If I get a foil or hyperspace foil of any card, I hold on to at least 1 copy of it, and to sell the spurs I get beyond the playset. Okay, Twin Pod Cloudcart. Got Cassian Andor, Forlom, Scanning Officer, Dr. Evanson, and Covert Strength. For a second I thought those Pillars of Fire in the Mandalorian Forge were scratches on the card, but nope. It's my eyes playing tricks on me. Okay, we got Rey in hyperspace, Maz Kanata, or Maz Kanata's bar. Something like bar in a castle. Be very nice. Enticing Reward, Heroic Resolve, and we have a hyperspace foil, so this has got to be a legendary, right? Oh, it's a rare. Not a legendary. Kragan Gore, another hyperspace foil rare. I will take it, but it's not the legendary I wanted. got quite a few rares now. Hyperspace foil. But I shouldn't complain, you don't get too many of them. Although Crag and Gore wouldn't exactly be my top of my list of ones to get. And we have Bo-Katan, Navarro City. Nine commons, Brutal Traditions, Chrysanthemum, Mercenary Gunship, Maul. Finish this off with best rare in the game, Maul, and a bonus Hyperspace foil uncommon, Valiant Assault Ship. Nice. Okay, yeah, awesome box. Was definitely due it with the kind of rubbish legendaries I've been getting so far in this case. So yeah, feel overdue for a good box. Obviously can't really complain too much about getting the showcase in the last one, but in terms of the rest of the box it was quite poor. So here we go, 5 L's, 5 legendaries for this one. Hyperspace foil, rare. Back on track for this case to not be awful. And one more box from it to open, which hopefully will follow the pattern of this and give me something good, something I can sell to recoup some of the cost. If you're still hanging around, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks very much.